something ends up happening to me, I just hope that this video can maybe explain it. Okay, so I have these two mirrors in my room. You can see they're pretty normal looking mirrors. But I was cleaning, I had them kind of set up like this. And I noticed something really weird. Just watch. See, when you look through the mirror into the other one, it becomes like a window. And there's this huge warehouse grocery store or something down there. But wait, it gets even crazier. Watch this. We have the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. What the hell? What is this place? Hello? How far does it go?